those of you who don't know who we are, we're Frank and Fern with JavaWalkerWorld, and we are doing the Snowbird thing this year, and we're doing it in Costa Rica. So if you haven't been following our previous videos, please do.
Yep, we have a whole series on Costa Rica.
So we gave you a little preview last Sunday that we were on our way to La Fortuna, and we have been, and this is what everything that we were able to experience, and we want to bring it to you. We got volcanoes, we got hot springs, we got
hanging
lakes,
bridges, all sorts
hanging
of
bridges,
things.
monkeys, everything. Sloth. Oh, geez, you're gonna love it. So we don't want to ramble on. There's a couple of just watch. Put it that way. Just watch, and don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll just do this little intro so you know a little bit about us, and let's go.
We are Frank and Fern with JavaWalkerWorld. Join us on our journey to quench your thirst for the simple pleasure of a good coffee and explore our magnificent world one step at a time.
Let's start off this video with Mistico Arenal hanging bridges. And of course, we must thank our friends Zio and Jose for joining us on this adventure. Also, let's share with you our accommodations, which for us was awesome, convenient, clean, and true value for your money. Before heading out to our adventure, let's have some breakfast. Breakfast was so delicious we forgot to capture it for you. Mistico is about a half hour away from La Fortuna. Here's a tip, you must schedule your visit here online. The main entrance of the park is free to enter. It's really very nice and has a lot of parking. It also has some key areas so you can take a picture in front of the volcano, and you might be lucky enough to get some wildlife like this Pizotti visiting us. Welcome to the Cardinal mystical hanging bridges and its rainforest. You'll be fascinated by the natural canopy of trees, its birds, waterfall, and fresh, clean air. Truly magical. That was about 2 hours of walking in the rainforest, and now we're famished and it's time for lunch. And we're going to have lunch right at Mistico. They have a restaurant there with awesome views of the Arenal volcano. Now let's take a boat tour on famous Lake Arenal. Join us. Lake Cardinal sits beneath the majestic Cardinal volcano in the north part of Costa Rica, and it's the largest freshwater lake in Costa Rica. The old town of Cardinal was relocated to higher ground when the lake was expanded in 1979 to make way for hydroelectricity. So yes, it is a man-made lake. The lake is home to an abundant amount of freshwater fish such as rainbow bass and over 300 species of birds. What a deal! We got this boat charter for $80. Sit back and relax. a lot of fun. Now let's visit the main square in La Fortuna. Originally, La Fortuna was named El Burrito, founded in 1930. In 1968, the Arenal volcano erupted to the west, causing extensive damage and casualties, including 82 deaths. This catastrophe changed the geography of the whole region, making it one of the most visited tourist destinations in Costa Rica and Costa Rica's pride and joy. La Fortuna has a beautiful town square featuring this wonderful park filled with gardens. This square is surrounded by lovely shops and services. We're about halfway through this video, so stay with us, because towards the end of the video, Frank and I had such a hard time doing the intro to this video that we had so many outtakes, and we'd like to share those with you. Plus, we're going to let you know what is to come next week on our video. Remember, we upload new videos every Sunday. Two more things Costa Rica is famous for, and that is chocolate and coffee. So let's go in and have some indulgence. Well, come with us, because a mega souvenir shop caught our eye earlier today, and we're headed there right now. That was fun, and all of the souvenirs were authentic to Costa Rica. Love it. Well, it's very late at night, but we are ready for supper. We're going to check out this Gastro Market. It is very much like a food court with individual stalls which serve authentic food to the region. It is very cute the way they work this out. You go, they have a menu, they seat you, they serve you in a sense. You're given a beeper when your order is ready. You go to each stall, you order, you're given a beeper. You bring all your beepers back to your table, and they will let you know when your food is ready. And it's amazing. It was a lot of fun. It gave us a chance all to pick whatever we wanted to, and what we felt like eating that particular day. And they had so much to choose from, and it was outstanding. Cachaça, guava, berries, and watermelon. Very good. Eva. Hi, baby. Yes. Nice. You're so sweet. Oops. I know. Okay. Action. Woo! Woo!
It is.
Woo!
Water.
Ooh, magic.
Second of all, some ingredient I can show you.
Ooh.
And when I drop this, I will ask you to eat. 1, 2, There we go.
Woo! Beautiful. I drink it. Beautiful. That was a wonderful evening and a wonderful day. But stay tuned here just for a minute because we have some funny outtakes and we're going to share with you what JavaWalkerWorld will bring you next week.
Friends,
What the fuck is this?
oh, welcome, friends.
She forgot. She started. We're back. For those of you who don't know who we are, we're Frank and Fern with JavaWalkerWorld, and we've been doing the snowboard thing this year. Snowboard.
Here's a sneak peek of what's to come next week.
Hope you enjoyed these videos. Hard to believe we're halfway through our 3-month stay in Costa Rica. Catch us next Sunday to see how these adventures continue. In the meantime, check our socials, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts for daily tidbits. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Till next time, Pura Vida!